Hey friends, on today's video, we're taking a closer look at this UIBI X7. It's a jump starter, it's an air compressor, it's a power bank all in one. Let's get it hooked up to one of our vehicles and try the jump start process. We're gonna take this end of our little jumper cable attachment and we're just going to fit it directly in there. What you'll see is a little green light come on and start flashing. That's how you know you've attached it correctly. Okay, we're gonna bring this over into the engine compartment and lay it next to the batteries. Again, you don't have a lot of length on these cables, which makes it really easy to store and in a compact manner. But as you can see, we have to bring this really close because these cable lengths are not very long. So the other nice thing is all of our light status and our indicators are right here on the back of our little plug-in. And again, that's gonna be some good reminders right there. So first thing we need to do is obviously attach this to the main jump starter. And then we're gonna connect to the positive first and then the negative poles of the car. So we're gonna connect the red one first and then the black one. Now my truck makes this really nice. I took off the little cover piece here. And as you can see, we have the jump block that's right on top. That's gonna be the metal connection. So I'm just gonna put, again, that positive right there on that jump piece connection. We then can take our negative. For this, we can just stick it down right here onto the post, make that good connection. Okay, let's take a look at our light indicator. You can see it's a steady green, and we can come back here. A bright green means all the connections are right, and we are ready to start the engine. Okay, as you can see, we've got our little start ignition here for the truck. Now you're supposed to do this within 30 seconds of connecting the jumper to the battery. But again, you should just be able to put this in and then crank it up. Once the engine has started, you actually are supposed to take this out from the main power bank. Now, once this is removed from the power bank, we can then remove our jumper cables and everything should be good to go, ready to put back in storage. So there you go, friends. That is the UIBI X7. Again, a cool little device. I think having this in the back of your car for emergencies is going to be absolutely critical. Go check it out. Hopefully this has helped make your buying decision just a little bit easier. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for us, subscribe. We got a bunch more tutorial videos just like this coming your way. We'll see you again on the next one.